So you want to start a TikTok clipping page and get to 10K followers so TikTok can start paying you? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys a breakdown of how I generated this page to 10,000 followers organically. And it just hit it the other day and it's already at 10.4 thousand followers. If you don't know, this is the main account that I clip for that I built also from scratch. And so there is a lot of opportunity with clipping to make thousands of dollars per month. I also want to give a big shout out to my wife because she is also helping me clip on this page. So it does save me some time. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step on how you can grow a page like this to 10,000 followers. First, the most important part you want to do is you want to find a creator that you want to clip for. And how you can do this is I personally like to clip for creators that I'm already watching. And so I want you to go through your YouTube subscriptions and see if there's any podcasts or long form content that you guys watch and that you could clip for. And so that's what I did right here with the You Should Know podcast. And they have almost 1 million subscribers on YouTube. And as you can see right here, they have a ton of podcasts to clip for. Look, each week they upload hour and a half. There's so much potential for clips. So keep that in mind for a clipping channel that you want to create clips for, because obviously there's going to need to be new and fresh content every week. And that is what the You Should Know podcast does. And also I want to give a little hack here. Go to Patreon and also find creators on here that you could also clip for. On this platform, you will have to manually screen record on your phone or on your PC. But this method right here is probably the easiest method to make money because this content is not in the TikTok algorithm. So once you're on patreon.com, go to podcast and shows, and then it will show you the top creators, and you could potentially clip for one of these. And if you do this, you need to have the creator's permission because this content is behind a paywall. So what you can do is find the creators on social media, find their email, and tell them the value you can bring them with getting more reach to their page. And of course, have their Patreon or YouTube linked in the bio, because the main goal here is to drive more traffic, but we also want to get paid. And that's where TikTok comes in with paying you per 1,000 views. And so that's what I also did with the You Should Know podcast. I have their full permission. And so I and my wife create clips from their Patreon. And as you can see, they have a ton of content to choose from. And so this is another method of making money per 1,000 views in the TikTok Creator Fund. So try to find a creator on YouTube that you like to clip for and go to Patreon, check out all the creators on there. Again, get the creator's permission. This content's behind a paywall, but this is going to be the easiest way to make money in the TikTok Creator Fund because again, this content is not in the algorithm. So this is the entire first step of the clipping process. The next step obviously is to make your own TikTok account dedicated to this podcast or creator that you're clipping for. In this case, I made the username ysk.clipper. YSK means you should know, and then I just have a simple picture that I made of them on Canva. So once you've made the account dedicated to the creator you're clipping for, now it's time to start editing the content and finding the clips. So I'm going to show you guys a few tools you can use. Some are free, some cost money. Let's get right into that. So the first tool you can use, it's a free tool called Reka AI, and essentially you can enter a YouTube video URL into here and it'll generate you 3 top clips from that video. And another method is if you manually screen record, you can pop that file into here and it'll generate captions and with tracking the subject in the video. So this is the first free method you can do. Another free method you could do is manual screen recording. And as you can see right here, I have the snipping tool pulled up right here. And so essentially manually screen record. So when I find a clip that I like in a long form video, I will just pull out the video tool, click new, and then I'll just select the screen. And of course, keep in mind for videos to get paid in the TikTok Creator Fund, they need to be at least 1 minute long. So that's another free method that you can do is with manually screen recording, and then you can put it directly just right into the TikTok application and edit it from there. Another tool that I love, but it does cost money, is Opus Pro. And as you can see here, I have put a lot of footage into here and gotten many clips that have generated me thousands of dollars in the TikTok Creator Fund. And so you can put your own manual clips in here. You can copy and paste your long form YouTube video, as you can see right here with the You Should Know podcast. It generated 21 clips from a long form YouTube video, and you can copy and paste your YouTube link URL right here, and then it'll spit out a ton of different clips from that video. And if you want to check out Opus, I will also have that link down below. And as you can see, if you get the pro version yearly, then it is 50% off. And it's honestly a great deal if you are wanting a tool that can do all of this for you. And they also do have a free forever plan, but there is a watermark on the clips, so you can't really use them on social media. Compared to Reka, is that you can can turn off the watermark, and it is a free tool. So you can compare and contrast these two different tools and what works best for your clipping channel that you made. So after you've edited your clips and now you're ready to post them, you then want to go to the TikTok application on your phone or on your PC. And sometimes I recommend the PC because you can have more than 5 hashtags. When you post on your phone, it limits you to 5 hashtags now. And so you want to go to TikTok and post. And guys, I know you guys think this might happen really fast, but if you're wanting to grow an account organically to 10,000 followers, it could happen fast, but realistically, it is not. For this account right here, I've been grinding and posting since May, which is now 5 months of then hitting 10,000 followers. And on the finance account that I built to 62,000 followers, it took me 3 months to hit 10K followers. So that is something I just want to say, guys, it is going to take a lot of discipline, a lot of consistency if you're wanting to grow a page organically to 10,000 followers. And if you do that, it is so worth it because I'm expecting to at least hopefully make a couple $100 this month. Because as you can see right here, this clip, while being in the TikTok Creator Fund already, is at 136,000 views. So from this video alone, I am expecting at least a $100 payout. And as you can see right here, guys, I have posted so many clips as long as with my wife, which has been very helpful. As you can see, guys, it takes a lot of consistency, a lot of discipline, because again, we've been posting since May, and I just want you all to keep that in mind that it's going to take a lot of time. But also another method that if you just don't want to take that entire time with building an account organically is you could also look into buying a TikTok account. I personally have not done this, but it is something I would try out if you guys want to see that. So let me know in the comments if I should buy a TikTok account, post some clips on it, and see if it's worth it, because I'm not too sure if it would harm the views with buying an account. So the steps I implemented is essentially what you want to do when you start a clipping page, and it can be so worth it. As you can see, thousands of views are already being generated while being in the TikTok Creator Fund. The YouTube method really helps, but especially the Patreon method, because again, the TikTok algorithm cannot detect that content unless if there are already clippers for that content. But 90+% of the time, that creator is not getting clipped from their Patreon to get posted on TikTok. So a lot of opportunity there. After this first month is done of being in the Creator Fund for this account, I'll make an update video and talk about the earnings from the first month. I'm really hoping to pull in at least $500, but honestly, we're gonna see what happens. So if any of y'all have any questions regarding clipping, let me know down below. And I also have a free Discord community where we can all give value to one another, and that is also linked down below in the description. Again, it's completely free, so if you have any questions regarding clipping, you can also ask me in there or other clippers. And I also want to say thank you all for the support lately. We recently hit 13,700 subscribers, and I honestly can't thank you all enough. And if you guys want more clipping videos like this, then make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to see more tutorials like this, please let me know. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.